But
God, you're talking to boys for 7 months?
and they turn into nothing. So
What about it?
Once if you mention them like you really like something and then they just get it for you, I find it very cute and
basically them remembering the little things about
Yeah.
you and like bringing them up at correct places. Okay, it's like the bare minimum. If you go to say, it's like, oh damn, you value my opinion. Thank you for asking me. But like,
I asked my guy friends, I shit you not. They were like, ladki hai, zinda hai, chalegi.
my dad came up with this theory. I pretend that my favorite color is pink, but it's actually white.
Valid.
Why do you have to pretend your favorite color is pink?
Because she's a girl.
No, not
I think it's the fact that we've been single for 19 years. 20? 20 years now.
20.
I think that comes after like a very nice mature period.
I do not think
Zia.
that this opinion is correct of yours.
Hello everyone, I'm Sanjana.
I am Zia.
I am Dhritika.
I'm Srishti and we are Beshram. So, how you were growing up, your parents always told you that it's important for you to eat your greens, eat your bhindi, eat your broccoli. But
Growing up, we've also realized that we need greens in our relationships as well.
True.
that's why today we're all looking like a Sanjay Gandhi National Park. Like there's so much greenery around
And blue.
because
L outfit.
someone didn't get the memo. So
Yeah, but
that's
like blue sky. So
Blue
like
sky, yeah.
nature.
nature. Yeah.
You can be into
She's
it.
on top of all of us.
yeah, true.
She's a queen.
Yeah.
Nah, that's not true. I don't even like her for real.
So that's exactly what we're going to be talking about today. We're going to be talking about green flags in a relationship.
Yeah. So that being said, I think first question, very natural question that I have for all of you. What is one thing in a relationship when you start and you're like, oh damn, this one's gonna be good. This is a green flag. This dude's a green flag.
I think for me, it's when they still have their own individuality in a relationship and don't lose it once getting into a relationship. I think that just
so true.
proves to me that this person is going to stay true to himself and, not going to lose it just because of a relationship.
And true in the relationship as well.
Yeah.
True.
True.
When there's your relationship is the only thing that is going on in like their life, or a girl, guy, whatever, like even anybody, any identity is just when they're together and their relationship is the only thing they're looking forward to in their life. Not a good sign. Not a good sign. You need to have hobbies outside of your relationship. Otherwise, you're not going to be able to be a full person when they eventually leave.
Right.
Yeah. Then I think the only thing that you're restricted to is your relationship and nothing beyond
That's
that.
very sad.
It doesn't even help you grow.
It's like you don't have a personality other than the
Right.
relationship.
The relationship.
Right. What for you?
For me, it's mostly like, the person being comfortable around you. Like, comfortable enough to speak about a few things, comfortable enough to share their feelings, to, express what they feel. And, just being comfortable in general, being weird together.
Ooh.
Like, acting weird. Like, it's like they let out their child version because they feel safe with you.
They feel safe with you.
It's a huge green flag, like, for them to feel safe, for them to act weird, because it's like they're feeling comfortable with you.
Yeah.
I think for me, it's when they're completely honest with whatever that's going around in the relationship, outside the relationship, there are other social settings that they're in.
Also.
Just
Completely
be
agree.
honest. I really like that.
Honesty.
Be it
True.
a good sign, be it a bad sign, be it anything. I love when there's I love when it's transparent like
Yeah.
that. That's a major green flag for me.
Adding to that, like the person should also like be honest about their past life, because it's important
It
for
is.
your current person to know what the person has been through, so that it helps us or the other partner to understand them better. And like, talk about it whenever it's necessary, and then treat them in a certain way. So, that person is treated better, is not treated the exact same way
Yeah.
he was or she was treated in the past.
Yeah.
But
true.
not necessarily it should happen very in the initial stage of the relationship.
Yeah.
Take your time to
Yeah.
feel comfortable because in certain relationships it has not been a very long friendship before they started dating. It's just a very sudden thing. So like for you to feel actually comfortable before sharing is also very, very important. I
There's a
feel.
very fine line between, you know, accepting your partner for their past and also being so ignorant of the shitty things that they did in their past.
Right. That makes so much
That,
sense.
because, you know, sometimes people, they're just bad people. Some people are bad, some people are good. Objectively, you know, a lot of people have hurt a lot of other people. And if you just like let that fly under the radar saying, ke, nahi yaar, that was in the past, he's changed now, she's changed now, they've changed now. It doesn't always work like that. There is, you know, there's a very delicate dance between those two things. I think for me though, a huge green flag, I would say in my opinion, when it comes to relationships, is when you are with this person and when you have something that bothers you, there is room for criticism without the fear of their reaction
And being judged.
to your criticism and judging. It's so important, and that only happens with, you know, friendship, as you said. You know, it's important for them to be friends in a relationship as well.
Right.
It's important to establish that relationship even before it's a relationship, because you need to know that person before getting into a relationship. And I think that's what the
Obviously.
friendship period is for.
But that is extremely important. If you cannot criticize your partner without being like, oh damn, what are they gonna do? What are they gonna say? No.
Or even
Yeah.
take
If
criticism
you
for
can
that
do
matter.
that, that's great.
Like, you know, that little making fun of each other, being goofy around, and just like making fun of them in general. Or kya ye, kya hai tu? Like, you know, the small hidden fights.
Yeah.
So I want to talk about this one huge green flag that I would love for my partner to have it in him. So, you know, like if ever I mention to my partner that, you know, I really like that chocolate or I really like that cake a lot. And my partner just, if, you know, I'm having a bad day without me asking, my partner gets it for me in multiple units. Like, you know, if like I tell him that I like sneakers and he just gets me like 15-20 sneakers.
Snickers,
Yeah.
the chocolate.
The chocolate.
Chocolate.
Okay.
What else?
Sneakers is
Sneakers is
chappal.
the shoe. Snickers is the chocolate.
Chocolate, yeah.
Snickers. Okay.
Sorry.
Everybody roast her in the comments. It's fine. She
Sneaker
had it
khane ka?
out. She
Sneaker?
had it out for her. She's just eating Air Force Ones. It's just, this is good.
That's some
is
shit.
good. This was kind of expensive for what it was, but you know what? It's fine because I'm me and I deserve this. You deserve to eat Air Force One.
They're so clean.
Enough.
This is so bad. Oh God.
Yeah, so like
Yeah.
they keep note of the small things.
Yeah, like, you know,
Right.
once if you mention them, like you really like something and then they just get it for you, I find it very cute. And
Basically,
like,
them remembering the little things about
Yeah.
you and like bringing them up at correct places is such a green flag.
Such a
Yeah.
So
green flag.
hot also.
Yeah.
It is.
Damn. It's just attractive, not
Yeah.
being a green flag. Because see, green flag and red flag, you will decide on, you know, what their intention was to do that. Was it to, you know, just impress you? Was it in the chase or was it even after they got you? So the
Yeah.
intention really matters. But regardless of what the intention is, this thing is really hot, I think.
Yeah.
Do things for me.
It's
I like it.
It's like, damn, you remember that thing that I told you
they
7
don't-
months ago once, and you remember it and you brought it up now. Damn.
Yeah.
Hot.
But you're talking to boys for 7 months?
And they turn into nothing. So, what about it?
but I love to do that thing. You know, I would love to ask my partner, like, hey, तुझको याद है मैंने ये सब क्या बोला था? Do you remember my favorite color? Do you remember this? And if they get it all right, huge green flag.
Do you remember my favorite color?
Yeah. What is my favorite color?
I think it's purple, no?
No.
What is it?
How could you do that?
Blue,
No. Oh, you know my favorite color?
green,
It's green, olive green.
No.
black. Don't say
We're
black.
best
It's
friends.
white. It's white.
It's never been white.
It's never been white.
So my dad came up with this theory. I pretend that my favorite color is pink, but it's actually white.
Valid.
Why do you have
Valid.
to pretend your favorite color is
Valid.
pink?
Because she's a girl.
No, not. So I was saying that's what, like, it's very important for the guy to like remember those small things that you know you
Yeah.
once mentioned and then getting it for you. Also, I really like this thing that you know guys do that I've seen, like so many where that I've gone shopping and stuff. The guys will hold their girlfriend's handbag.
Yeah.
Oh, right.
That's
Yes.
so cute.
Yes. And they don't hold it like
Yeah,
they hold it.
Yeah, they wear it.
This goes with my fit too.
Yeah.
You know?
It's like
This is what I was born to wear.
I'm gonna quickly put my lip gloss in it so it's safe.
it's like
Yeah.
they
Like lip
don't
balm.
they don't have a fragile masculinity,
Valid.
which is again so hot.
Hot.
Like most of the green flags are hot. Of course. Like,
obviously.
yeah, all
Hot.
green flags are hot. But like, yeah, like the fact that they aren't afraid of how it affects their masculinity and all, and like how they own it basically. you
They
know?
own it.
Another one of
Oh,
these.
it's hot.
Another one of these that I really, have noticed is if, initially butterflies are great. I love butterflies. They make you feel so nice. It's like, oh shit, my person. But somebody who doesn't, somebody that the butterflies never died down, I don't think that's right. Like, I think after the initial butterflies, if you're with this person, it is very important for you to feel calm with them. And not just like always be like, oh my god, no. Am I out of their league? Like, do I not deserve this? Like,
Yeah.
that's not. Maybe that's a flaw on the part of the person who's getting these butterflies and cannot get rid of them. But that's it's not a great sign where they don't make you feel calm. Being calm with your person is very important, I feel.
Yeah, like I feel like a huge green flag in a relationship would be when both of y'all can just sit and not necessarily have a conversation.
Right.
Comfortable
Have
silences.
do something, do an activity or something.
Mhm.
Like I've seen our parents also so many times they're just sitting with each
Right.
other
Hmm.
on their phone doing their own business, but like it's there, their presence is there, they both are there, and
Yeah.
they don't have the pressure that kuch karna hai, we don't have to waste this time, we don't have this to waste these 2 hours, this 3 hours, not necessarily get physical or just
Yeah.
talk about something, just
Right.
be there and be
Yeah.
comfortable with
I
each
know.
other
I can
and do
just-
your own thing.
I can just see my parents in my hall, and my mom's on like reels, and my dad is on his Candy Crush, but they're together,
So
and that's
cute.
damn cute.
Yeah. very
I know,
cute,
I know,
yeah.
I know.
But because they know that they, no matter what, they don't have to talk or
Right.
to spend quality time together. They've been together like over 25 years now. Sometimes silence is good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Silence is best I feel. It's the best. No, at times.
At times.
I think that comes after like a very nice mature period of like
Of course.
being with each other.
Yeah.
Like when you've like literally gotten habitual to the other person.
No, I feel
Yeah.
it doesn't matter how long you've been
No,
with the person. It's just
yeah.
how comfortable you are with the
Yeah.
silence that you have with them. Because when you're silent with other people, it's like an awkward, like an awkward thingy, bro. Kuch to bolna padega to break the awkwardness.
Yeah,
it's
no,
not
no, I
awkward
get
with
it.
them. You like it.
Yeah, true.
It's also
It's like a calm
a
feeling.
very green flag if you like you're in a relationship, and while being intimate you can laugh. You can laugh. And that's like so cute.
Yeah.
The thought of that, just like, oh, you're not shy in front of them. That's so cute.
Yeah, I know.
That makes sense.
And hot. Why are all these so hot?
You have to get over it. The hot
There's
thing.
nothing to get over. That's the
No.
problem.
I think it's the fact that we've been single for 19 years.
20?
20 years now.
20.
Anyway, another thing that I've noticed, which I find so attractive in guys and girls actually, is when they send you a follow-up text after a date about
Yes.
about how it's gone, and like
How do you
just
feel?
like just an overview of how the date went, and like told you how they appreciated your time, and like the fact that you spent the day with them or whatever.
Whatever.
But like just that follow-up message is so sweet, and like
I know.
damn, you thought of it to be
Yeah.
you were so considerate enough to send me a follow-up message that
Even
you
like
had
a
a good
small-
time with me.
Yeah, even like a small thank you so much for today. I really had a good time.
Yeah.
Makes me feel special. Makes
Yeah.
the moment so special.
Yeah.
I really like it the same.
I love that for you guys.
I'll take you out, man. I'll send you up the follow-up message.
Oh God. Also, like when I was thinking of these like things like green flags, I was thinking at home and I couldn't like think from a guy's perspective because I genuinely did not know. Next day I went to college and I'm asking all the boys in my class, which is like 3 boys because I'm doing a course where no boys take this course. And then I ask other friends from other, degrees, and I'm asking them, okay, what do you think are some green flags in girls? The perspective that girls have, like I was having, these, remembering small things, laughing while being intimate and being their friend. We have such like specific things that are green flags. I asked my guy friends, I shit you not, they were like, ladki hai, zinda hai, chalegi. I'm not even kidding. These are the answers I got.
तू लड़की चल
लड़की है जिंदा है चलेगी.
अच्छा लगा मेरे को.
I also asked one of my guy friends. He said, जब तक पच नहीं करती रोज, green flag, massive green flag.
That's a red flag for him though.
I know.
No, the more red flag है.
He is a red flag.
तो green flag ही है.
Blue.
तू क्या बोल रही है?
But for some reasons, guys are just like not big. Like I sat my guy friends down and I'm like, भाई तुझे क्या अच्छा लगता है?
कुछ तो होगा.
कुछ ना कुछ तो, something that will make you feel like, oh my god, I'm special. Like they genuinely don't care. It's insane.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I asked one of my guy friends about green flags, and he said him as a person, he's very open about his feelings. He's like if you're close to him, he'll be like, he'll share personal things with you, family, college, XYZ. And he's like, if my girl is open to me about exactly what she's feeling when she's with me, in regards to the relationship, when she's with me and she's telling me exactly how she's feeling, if I said something that makes her uncomfortable, green flag.
Basically communication.
Communication.
Right.
Yeah.
Communication. Healthy communication is very important. Be it
Hot.
a girl.
No, for real is hot.
Yeah, it is hot.
It is very hot.
Wow.
So
Also,
be it anyone. It's important and it's hot. So
It's-
hot first, then important.
I know a lot of people over the internet have said this in the past months, but consent is
Oh God, yes.
Oh my God.
Yes.
Bro, consent anywhere, like for anything. It's like, damn. Okay, it's like the bare minimum.
the
If you go to
bare
say, it's like, oh, damn, you value my opinion. Thank you for asking me. But like, that's also
it's even like doing things for you before doing something for you. Like, can I get you something to drink?
Yeah.
It's not just it's the first time he's like getting you something to eat or drink. Like, can I do this for you?
Yeah.
Will you be comfortable? Because a lot of girls, they've gone through so much, and you don't know what's gonna trigger. If a guy understands that, which again, another green flag that I thought of, and it's not like an original thought, but I also thought of this. It is always a good sign if a boy has a sister, especially older.
Oh,
yes.
Yes.
Especially older
Yes.
sister. They understand shit or women in a comparatively better way.
I agree.
Personal way as well, because you grow up with them. You
Yeah.
know how they function.
But not necessarily elder. I feel even a younger sister.
Even
like
a
if
younger
you
one.
have a sister in your house, like I think you just know how to behave.
Right.
Because it's not like you only learn from them. They teach you things from themselves also. And I feel like that's...
Directly.
Yeah, and I feel that's such a nice thing because I have a lot of guy friends. No, actually, what am I kidding? I just have few. I just have 2, 3, sorry. But like, almost all of them have like sisters, either elder or younger. And I've just noticed such a significant difference in the way they are with girls versus
Yeah.
boys who are without sisters or only with brothers. And I'm like, damn, that's a...
You know who understood that initially many years ago? James Charles. That's why he always was like, hey, sisters.
Zia, no.
Oh, God.
From what you guys have said, Adi is going to be a huge green flag.
Mm-hmm. Adi is
yeah.
Srishti's brother.
Adi Srishti's brother.
Younger brother.
Younger brother. Yeah.
Definitely.
He's already a green flag. I don't even know what to say.
Yeah, no, he's so funny. So
I know.
One like very cute story of Adi. So Adi being a green flag to me. I know this, we are talking about relationships, but like this is a green flag in general. Like guys, you can do it for your sisters too. So one day I had gotten like my results, and had gotten very bad marks in one subject. So I was very upset. And I was just like, my parents did not say anything because I told them when I just wrote the paper and I came home, that exact day I told them that, listen, I don't think so. I'm going to be getting good marks in this paper.
Yeah.
And then my parents were like, okay, fine, it's fine. And I got, I passed the subject, but it was not that great. I did, I expected more. And then I was just upset. And Adi brought me a pizza because I was upset
That's
without
sweet.
me having to ask about it.
Aw.
So that's what sometimes, giving, ordering
I
food,
think, yeah,
or
that empathetic side
yeah.
that boys get, and I'm not saying this is only because they have a sister,
Yeah.
but majorly it comes from there. I think that that soft side that they have comes from there.
Yeah.
Also, guys who feel very comfortable showing their emotions, especially when it comes to crying.
Yeah.
The ones who are comfortable, public mein nahi, theek hai, but like those who are actually comfortable crying when they're in a safe space,
One-on-one.
very, very,
When it's
important. It's a major green flag, and it just shows how well he's
Opened up to you.
not even opened up,
Being-
like how
being
well he's
comfortable.
raised with
Yeah.
him
Raised.
comfortable crying because he's a man.
because a lot of the times I've noticed this, boys especially will dispose all of their emotions, be it disappointment, be it sadness, be it anything. They will dispose all of it and turn it somehow into anger because that is the only masculine emotion that they know, and they are okay with expressing that because men can be angry. That's what they've been taught
Yeah.
all their life. Men are supposed to be angry. Men are supposed to be aggressive.
It's like a
This is
masculine trait.
masculine trait, and this is like valid for boys to have.
Be aggressive, yeah.
Yeah, but crying on the other hand, it's for you. Like, what are you, ladki hai kya?
It's considered as like a feminine trait.
Yeah, man up.
Yeah,
What the hell is
man
that?
up.
I don't
know.
like that.
Me neither.
Please cry
Please cry when you feel like.
when you feel like exactly.
That brings me up to boys just being soft in general, being very emotional in a relationship.
Soft boys.
Yeah, very cute they are. So there was this one time I was on a meet with a friend and I
A
couldn't
Google Meet.
Google Meet, yeah, online Google Meet, and I couldn't fall asleep. So we were watching a movie, and then he said that I am going to sleep. I think you should sleep too. And I was like, I don't feel like sleeping because I'm not sleepy right now. And then the guy, he asked me, like, what will make you sleepy? Do you want to watch some video or something? I said, remember, I'll tell you one thing. Like, when I was small and I couldn't sleep, my mom would sing this song for me. It's that song, Tujhse Naaraz Nahi Zindagi.
Oh,
She would always sing it for me. And then the guy went like, why don't you try sleeping? Why don't you make your bed and I'll sing that song for you? And the guy
Fuck
sang
off.
it for me with a guitar in his hand.
Hey, this is too Bollywood, but I think I'll believe you.
No, it has happened. I have a video. I'll
Wouldn't
show
you
it to you
believe?
later.
Oh God.
I will see that video later.
I need,
But
I need this guy's number.
does he have a brother or is he single?
Or is he? Yeah.
Is he single? But again, like I have seen this happen to a lot of my friends who are in relationships, in healthy relationships, is when the guy stands up to someone else for his partner
Yes.
and they are not ashamed of that. They're like, okay, no, that's wrong. And I'm not going to side with you just because you're my friend. I'm going to do what's right. And like taking that stand for their partner, even from another perspective, is
That's
so
a
like,
green
wow, that
flag
is
even
amazing.
When girls do that for their
Yeah,
partners.
of course. Like either
Yeah.
partners.
This is arguable for some people, but for me, if
Okay.
a guy is getting violent, like not hitting someone and all, but just violent in his expressions, like you cannot speak to my girl like that,
Yes.
is a huge green flag. Because even I would get mad at someone if someone is like disrespecting my partner. I would do the same thing. So that's what it's arguable. So like if my partner does it, I would be like head over heels, madly in love with
I agree
him.
with you.
I do not think that this opinion is correct of yours. I think just that would scare me personally. I do not want my partner to be so okay with being so aggressive with people that he doesn't even know. Yes, there is a way to do it. Yes, you can stand up for yourself, but it's not necessary that you need to raise your voice or you need to be violent in your actions. I think that that's a red flag for me.
I see your point, because how I see it is, if you are able to be this angry with someone, like somewhere in the back of my mind, I'm like, how easy is it for you to switch that to me?
Yeah.
You know, that may come from a place of insecurity because of my past or whatever. But again, that kind of ticks me off.
Yeah, and it's the same with when you are dating somebody that you know is a cheater. So it if once a cheater, always a cheater. If they cheated on their previous to be with you, what tells me that they wouldn't cheat on me for somebody else?
True.
It's the same thing with violence, in my opinion. If they're okay with disposing this violence on somebody that they don't even know, I will be very scared for my own safety when I'm with them alone.
Yeah.
I don't like the thought of that. Okay, I know. See, being anger has its time and place. It is very important for every single person to feel their entire spectrum of emotions. Anger is one of them. Yes,
yeah, true.
agreed. But there is a certain way to do it, and I don't think being so insecure that तुझे क्या लगता है, मतलब तेरी गर्लफ्रेंड क्या वो बंदे के साथ चले जाएगी?
No.
It's
I'm
not about...
Yeah, wait, I have a situation. So you and your boyfriend, you all have gone out, and there are people who are eve teasing you. Would you mind if your boyfriend goes up to them, like proper eve teasing?
Right.
Would you mind if your boyfriend goes up, shouts at them, and shows them their place? I would love it.
Eve teasing,
exactly.
I would expect him to do that.
Yeah,
That is-
exactly.
I would expect.
So this is the exact case I'm talking about. Like, not in general him, random
Losing his
people say-
temper randomly.
Yeah, like
Yeah, exactly.
if
It's not
someone
about-
makes fun of me and then he goes and yells, then it is wrong. Then it is completely wrong. If someone is making fun of me, then he can say properly, like, dude, listen, it's not funny, it's not okay. I'm not happy with it. You should not do that.
Exactly.
But if this situation arises, like someone is, looking at you from a bad eye, not having good intentions with you, and your boyfriend or your partner is not okay with it and makes it clear that
Yeah.
he's not
Yeah.
okay,
Oh yeah.
then
That's a
See,
very
yeah,
on the
green flag,
street,
right.
on the street, eve teasing, if I'm even with my friend, no, even I'll do that. That's just
Obviously.
weird. That's just odd and creepy.
Yeah.
When you're on the street, okay, I understand that that's where aggression has its place. But in a setting where you're with your friends and he's okay with doing all that, I don't agree with that.
and that's exactly what I said.
Right.
Okay, I had this thing. I don't know if a lot of people know this, but do you all know what the sidewalk rule is?
Yes.
Bro, that is so hot.
So
That
for
is so hot.
No. I mean, okay, for the people who don't know it, the sidewalk rule is basically when the guy walks on the side of the road and the girl walks
Inside.
inside.
Yeah.
And I've noticed a lot of my guy friends do that to me, and look, I'm not attracted to them, but that's such a big green flag.
The way they do it.
The way they put you
maybe
inside
they
and
like
walk
push you
inside.
inside and then
Maybe it's because you're not attracted to them because they are green flags.
What?
You're not attracted to them because they're green flags.
Srushti? Why are you calling me?
Srishti just called Sanjana.
like
Yeah, I'm only attracted to red flags. No, I'm not, man, I'm not. God, you're gonna start taking me seriously. Anyway,
why do you think you're sitting with me, huh?
can we switch?
I also like respect a lot of guys who follow the traffic rules.
Hey, you shut up, huh?
Don't respect
There's
yourself
not
then.
one
Don't
signal
respect
that you've
yourself.
respected ever.
Arre?
Never.
Shut up! What? Yesterday we drove.
Yesterday we drove, you broke 3 signals that I could count.
Let's
you
go,
go 2 kilometers.
No.
3 signals she broke.
I did
You were
not.
like, अरे यार तोड़ दिया. कोई बात नहीं.
Okay. She finds it a green flag for those who follow, but the guys find it a green flag when she doesn't follow.
Red flags.
Compliment
Red
each
flag.
other. Nice.
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 रोड
No,
रेजा बंदी
yo.
में भाई मेरी टाइप है.
Why road it?
Okay.
Also, another very important green flag
Mhm.
when they acknowledge your love languages.
And they cater to that.
They cater to that. Even if
They
are
make an effort to know you in that sense, and they deliver.
Oh, yeah. I think just basically understanding who you are as a person, be it your love language, be it the way you react to anger, how you are in certain situations, and acting accordingly,
Also,
reacting accordingly.
Also, how emotional you are.
Yeah, basically like understanding you, taking the time and effort to understand you
Right.
and react accordingly is just such a big green flag, because you're like, okay, this person is investing their
Their
time and
time.
energy into
Right.
knowing me. How hot is that? How attractive is that?
it's extremely attractive.
Very.
So it's like my love language would be acts of service. Like if a dude I'm talking to is doing my assignments for me, let's get married. Do my assignments forever. I think that's really hot. I think that's really hot.
Yeah.
I think like guys who make something for their girlfriends, like be it a card, be it a note, and like be it something, some small cupcake, some
Right.
cute cookies and stuff. Like, it's just
You know what I realized is a green flag?
What?
Boys who cook.
Yes.
Yes.
Boys who cook.
Boys who cook.
Dude. Yeah.
No,
and
no,
they're
that
not
is-
no, they're not like no, I don't go in the kitchen. Shut up. Nobody you're not gonna find a wife and then who's gonna feed you, huh?
I agree too. So like once I was on my periods and my friend sent me my favorite coffee and it just lifted my
my
mood
God.
up.
Third wave, no?
Oh yeah, I
Yeah.
remember that.
Yeah, of course. And
That was very
sandwich
cute.
also, I'm sure.
No.
No?
No.
Damn. Red
It was
flag.
just coffee.
Red flag. No sandwiches, red flag. If you're going to third wave, get the sandwich as well.
bro.
Bro, that tandoori chicken sandwich, it's so good.
I know.
I'm sorry, Dritika.
Yeah, it's
Coffee's good.
coffee's
Veg for
tandoori
me.
paneer sandwich. Dritika's biggest character flaw. She's vegetarian.
Yeah.
You can't say that.
Well,
We've established that. We're moving on.
yeah. Moving on.
Yeah.
I think we can move on to this really cute segment that we have planned for everybody, where we're going to be talking about some celebrities and movie characters, and we'll determine whether they're a green or a red flag.
Yep.
True. That's
Let's
gonna be
do it.
So for those of you listening, we'll basically be shown 3 characters from either movies or TV shows, and we'll be speaking about how much of a green flag or red flag they are, depending on
Yeah.
their character.
Right.
Okay.
Yeah. And what characteristics of them make them a green flag?
Right.
Yes. Yeah. Okay. So we have Nate Archibald from Gossip Girl, Prem
Prem
Chopra,
Chopra.
from
Ajab Prem Ki Gazab Kahani, and Jake Peralta from Brooklyn Nine-Nine.
I
I know my answer.
I know my answer.
Can I see them again? The last 2, I don't know the first one. It's fine. Prem Chopra, Ajab Prem Ki Gazab Kahani, and Jake Peralta.
For me, it has to be Jake Peralta from Brooklyn Nine-Nine, because that man just exudes green flag energy with how he is with Amy and just his dynamic
Yeah. True.
around her, and how he's just so like, he's so comfortable with her, and he's like still goofy around her.
He
Coming back to
exhibits,
your
golden retriever.
I was about to say that he exhibits
Golden
exactly
retriever
so
vibes.
much. That's what I really love about him.
Green flag.
Very basic answers y'all have. I think it has to be Prem from Ajab Prem Ki Gazab Kahani.
I think both of them. For me, like Prem from Ajab Prem Ki Gazab Kahani, because like he was so cute, so sweet. Literally, he knew that she likes the small thing. I forgot the name of Katrina Kaif's character. But like
Jenny.
Jenny.
He knew that she likes small stuff, so he got her pakoras and stuff in the movie. It was so cute.
I remember that.
And then Jake Peralta, obviously he exudes like golden retriever energy, but like my favorite scene has to be the tell me why scene. Even
God,
with the
yes.
criminals, he's so cute.
Yes,
He's so cute.
even with the criminals, yes, they robbed somebody, but you know what?
Tell me why.
Still going to be cute.
You know, one thing I really, really appreciated about Prem's character in Ajab Prem Ki Gazab Kahani is that one sequence in the entire movie where he has realized that, he's in love with Katrina Kaif's character, and he asks Katrina Kaif, because he wants to actually win her over.
Yeah.
And he asks her, you know, what is an ideal guy for you? And he does every single thing out of that list, and I know it backfires.
Sweet. Oh, I haven't watched the
eventually.
movie, so I don't know.
Acha, okay, it's fine. Go watch it. It's a very good movie.
Yeah.
And it backfires, yes, sure, but he still helped her to get the other guy. It's
I
like,
know.
Yeah, and
Damn.
do you guys remember that one scene where, you know, she tells him that she's like crazy fan of Salman Khan?
Yes,
Then Salman Khan, they meet Salman Khan on the way and he pretends that he is his friend.
Yeah.
And then he tells Salman Khan, ki, please, I really like her.
Although I think personally Salman Khan is not a green flag. He is definitely a red flag. But he played along in the
know,
movie
yeah, I
as a
know.
Salman Khan character,
I
which
know.
is
You
so
know,
cute.
Just from your description, I think it has to be Jake Parada and Prem Chopra,
And
because
Prem,
that
yeah.
was, even from what you all described, that's
And
such a
I
green
would say,
flag.
I would say, yeah, exactly. And I would say Nate Archibald is not a green flag. He's an amazing guy. Like in Gossip Girl, he was a great guy with whoever was his girlfriend. He was like great like that. But he did cheat on Blair with Serena in the beginning. Now you guys won't know because you
I've
haven't
watched it, but I
I
don't
haven't
remember
watched
it.
it.
I do
I
not
haven't watched it.
remember it.
I think it's the name only, Nate from even Euphoria, no?
Oh,
Nate,
yes.
Yeah.
Nate, the name, first of all, is a red flag, and his face is also too idealistic. Nahi,
Yeah,
अच्छा नहीं लगा मेरे को.
Another
हाँ.
point about Prem Chopra
Too
is
attractive.
how, you know, he had to hide Jenny from his parents, and then he actually wore her clothes. Like, that just shows how
Yeah,
comfortable
yeah,
he
yeah,
is
yeah.
Oh, right,
with
right,
his
right, right.
masculinity.
In the movie, yeah.
he had to hide Katrina Kaif from the parents, and for that, like Katrina Kaif's clothes were kept in his room,
So
and
she
he was
she was running away from her family, and Prem helped her. And for some reason, they had to go to his house, and so his parents probably came to know, and he was hiding Jenny, and one of her tops was lying in his room, and his mom walked in, and he actually wore that top.
He's like, ये तो मेरा है.
ये तो मेरा है.
and he owned that shit.
He did own that shit, right?
His masculinity was not fragile.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Amazing.
Green flag.
Men everywhere listening to this, be like Prem Chopra.
Be
Yes.
like Prem Chopra.
Be like
yes.
Prem Chopra.
Don't
Yes.
don't be like Ranbir Kapoor.
Prem Chopra. Okay, moving on.
Moving on.
Chandler Bing from Friends, Iqbal from Razi, and Jai Singh Rathod from Jaane To Ya Jaane Na. I cannot choose.
I can't choose.
Same.
I cannot choose.
I have never seen Friends, so leave that.
I have not seen Razi.
Me neither.
God.
I've seen all three of them. My favorites. Literally my favorite
Oh, damn.
characters.
Okay, I have to go with Iqbal from Razi. Now, a lot of people don't know this. Maybe they do. But Vicky Kaushal was my first celebrity crush
Yes.
ever. So I have watched Razi in the theater 3 times. And I was just so awestruck by how he treated Alia Bhatt's character in that movie. And it's just, you know, even after knowing, spoiler alert for anybody who's not seen the movie, even after getting to know that she's, you know, a spy from a
Indian
different
spy, yeah.
from a different country, he still was like
In love with her.
in love with her.
Oh,
and-
I have seen the movie. Shit. It's the one where she's like, मेरे को घर जाना है. I know that. I've seen it. Oh, yeah. True. I know. But I think if I was given a chance to pick, I would say Chandler Bing.
For sure.
He's very like, he's everyone's favorite, yeah. Like, I know you haven't seen it, but
Because it's bad.
I think
I tried.
for me,
I really tried.
okay.
I cannot choose between the three of them, but I can tell you all why I will choose all three of them. So Jai Singh Rathod, like, man, so cute. He was like, you know, there's this one scene in the song, like that song Aditi Aditi. So like, she
Kabhi
was
Kabhi
upset. She was upset, and like, you know, he knew he loves cat. She loves cats, so he
And
got her like small kittens.
He
That is-
also
also
because the cat died in the
Yeah,
beginning.
yeah,
That's
yeah,
why she
yeah.
was sad in the first place.
Yeah. And then later on, when, you know, she gets engaged to another guy, and then the guy hits her, and then she comes and tells Jai. She doesn't even tell him. He gets to know it from somewhere that a guy hit her, and he's never, now this character Jai Singh Rathod her. He's like a very simple, seedha boy, not violent at all. Like, you know, एक क्या बोलते हैं, मक्खी भी नहीं मारी होगी उसने life में. And he goes and he hits that, punches that guy nicely. So cute.
He's the best friend, isn't he?
Yeah.
Meow and rats. And I think one more reason I like him a lot because my pet name is Meow.
And it's that, you know, Wattpad trope. It's like, who hit you?
Oh.
How did you hit बंदी को touch किया? किसने touch किया उसको? Preeti. And then Chandler Bing, for I remember this exact thing. Like, you know how once Phoebe and Rachel were telling Monica how she's like super uptight and like very high maintenance. And then Monica was like very upset about it. Like, you know, these guys are calling me high maintenance. And then she goes and asks Chandler, do you think I'm high maintenance? And then Chandler was like, yeah, you are. And then she was like more upset. Wow. You just making it worse, not helping at all. And then he's like, you are high maintenance, but I love maintaining you.
That was so sweet.
And
that
that's
was
literally
nice.
me. I know that I'm a high maintenance person.
We also
But
know.
like, but like I would love a guy who, you know,
Loves
say it with
maintaining
that
you.
confidence.
Right.
Like, love it.
Yeah.
And then Iqbal,
I love that.
and like, he was such a gem. He did not deserve. Now, spoiler, he did not deserve to die in the movie.
He did
yaar.
not.
Did not.
I mean, I guess,
Yeah.
yes, he was putting his life on the line for his country or whatever, but like, why did the. I know, also, it's a real story. So we can't really, you know,
Shit on it.
shit on
Yeah.
it so much, but I was so sad.
You know how they would listen like Bollywood songs, like old Bollywood songs in the night. It's so cute. I
And the
cannot choose. I'm
pile.
sorry.
And the pile that he gave to her, which I mean, eventually, spoiler again. I mean, ab tak agar if you have not stopped listening because of the spoiler, then it's obviously on you. But the pile, I know it led to her demise and everything, but that was so cute. It was his dadi's pile. No?
Pile.
If a man gives me his dadi's pile,
Marriage?
marriage, nikah, full. Kabul hai.
So it's Chandler Bing for me because I remember this one scene where Monica and Chandler talking about them getting married, and like Monica is a character, she's very serious about getting married, and Chandler's like, हाँ ठीक है देखेंगे. And just because he did not want to lose Monica as a person, he actually proposed to her in one scene, and he's like, I don't want to lose you, let's just get married. And Monica's like, listen, I know you love me, I love you too, but we can take time, it's okay. You have to feel comfortable as well.
Yeah.
Moving on to the next three characters.
Veronica from
Veronica.
Cocktail.
Naina from YGHD and Amy from Brooklyn Nine-Nine.
Okay, I have a hot take on Naina. First of all, why the fuck was she so dumb? Like, bro, Ranveer's character was such a big red flag, and she was like, "Ha, chalega. Use me. Take advantage of me." First of all, no, that's not being a green flag. That's being dumb. So that's why I do not like. Oh, sorry, I forgot to mention it's Naina from Ye Jawani Hai Deewani, Veronica from Cocktail, and Amy from Brooklyn Nine-Nine. My answer has to be Amy because in the first one I said it was Jake Peralta,
Yes.
and they complement each other so
So
beautifully.
well.
So I think it has to be Amy because she just doesn't lose her individuality. Again, she's a boss from the beginning. She continues that in the relationship as well.
True.
And she didn't let Jake affect that. And she's always been true to herself. And that's why I really
That's a
like her.
green flag for Jake as well. He did not force
He didn't let it affect him. He didn't let him affect her.
Right.
So,
Amy for me as well.
You know, with it's Amy and with Veronica, I feel like she deserved better. Honestly, like she deserved better. Like she tried everything in her control to like be like Diana Penty's character, to you know just match what Saif Ali Khan wanted, but still he did not care.
But don't you think that that is a red flag on her part because she is so insecure in herself that she feels like she wants
Yeah.
to be somebody else?
Yeah, but like
I don't think that's a green flag at
yeah,
all.
it's not a green flag. That's what I said. She deserved better.
She deserved better. And I have a criticism actually. Besides Amy in this, that's why I'm not going to choose a green flag here because Amy is obviously a green flag.
Yeah.
But that also, like, there's nothing that showed me that, or at least I don't remember them like showing in the show being like showed that she is doing so much for Jake. Jake was doing a lot for her, but she wasn't doing enough for, not enough. Of course, they were a very healthy couple, but it was more Jake saturated, like Jake's the green flag, Jake is this, and that is what has happened in all three of these characters, and that happens with female characters in movie and
In
TV.
general.
In general, they don't get enough of that screen time. They don't get enough of that, character where they are like, unka character development bataya hi nahi jata hai, so we don't know if they are a red or a green flag.
They stigmatize the male character a lot
Yeah.
for the female to actually show their actual character.
That's
whether
why
it's a
we-
green or a red flag.
That's why we also, like, in all these characters right now, we are like, oh my god, this is so good. Bare minimum kar rahe ye log. Bare
Right,
minimum.
Yeah.
Yeah, I guess you could say
In
that.
a way.
In a way. Right.
Next
we can move on to the
characters.
next character.
Moving on. So we have Zoe from Love Aajkal 2.
Haven't
We have
seen.
Alize from
Alize.
Ae Dil Hai Mushkil, Geet from Jab
Jab
We
We
Met.
Met.
So I've seen all three of the movies. Unfortunately, I've seen Love Aajkal 2. Zoe is such a red flag. Such a red flag. Like,
I don't
to
know.
her convenience, she will want Kartik Aaryan's character. To her convenience, she'll say no to him. Like, I want to focus on my career. Not okay. Not okay at all. You make up your mind. Then Alize, again, like, I get it. Like, dosti. I feel like no. I feel like she is a beige flag.
Okay.
Like, it's fine only. Like, she kept on saying dosti pyar hai. But like, why are you leading him on? No. Don't lead
Oh,
him
then that's
on.
a red
When
flag.
Yeah.
Anjali
That's a
said
red
that
flag.
in Kuch Kuch Hota Hai, tab theek tha na?
Yeah,
Pyar
but
dosti hai.
the thing is, Shah Rukh Khan got Anjali at the end, no? This one did
I
not.
never seen. I haven't seen 2 out of the 3 movies.
Same.
So Geet is obviously Geet was a red flag in that she chose Anshuman even though Shahid Kapoor's character was always there. So she, in that sense, is not a green. But she
Listen.
came around.
Listen,
she came
no.
around.
Now I have met Anshum. What is
You've
his?
met Anshuman.
You've met
No,
Anshuman.
You've
Aditya.
met Anshuman.
No. I've met this guy Aditya. Like 2
Kashyap.
days we are in the trip, and like I have a long distance boyfriend from a very long time. I cannot just go
Exactly.
out and say yes to a guy whom I've just been spent 2 days or
That's
3
a green
days
flag.
with.
I think she's
Yes.
a beige flag for me. Some things about her are like kind of off,
Yeah.
but then some things
Same.
about her character, how lively she is, green flag.
Exactly.
She's a beige flag.
She's,
I'm
yeah,
gonna
same.
call her
I
a
think she's a
green flag.
beige flag for
Right.
me as well.
Lively is
Right.
not a green flag.
Yeah.
People have different personalities. So what? You're not so peppy all the time. What? That means you're a red flag.
No.
No, Geet is a huge green flag for me.
Huh,
okay,
I think
whatever,
Geet is
beige
a
flag.
beige flag
Beige
for
flag.
me as well.
Can we get the next characters? Bittu! Bittu Sharma from Band Baja Bharat. Jack
Pearson.
I don't know
Okay,
what
there's
that
Bittu
is.
Sharma from Band Baja Bharat, Jack Pearson from This Is Us, and Phil Dunphy from Modern Family. All three are such beautiful green flag characters in their own way, man. Okay, so I
I am not aware of Jack Pearson from
Me
This Is
neither,
Us.
yeah.
But like Bittu Sharma and Phil Dunphy is so cute.
So
Phil
cute.
Dunphy can have my kids.
Phil Dunphy. Oh my god. Phil Dunphy is the TV dad of the century.
literally.
He is perfect.
He's
Bro,
perfect.
I
He's perfect.
swear, if
He was not insecure of Claire making more money than him. He was never insecure that the kids liked Claire more at one point in the show. He was fine. He was doing his best no matter what his kids and his wife thought.
Right.
That is such a green flag.
one more thing I would
And
like to add, he was always comfortable with his masculinity.
Yes.
And Claire, Claire being like the boss bitch, he was like never affected. He was like, you go girl. He was Claire's best hype man.
Yeah.
He was okay with Claire being the alpha in the relationship.
Yeah.
That is such a big
Phil
green
Dunphy
flag.
was a Barbie boyfriend and Claire was an Oppenheimer girlfriend.
Yes.
And
Yeah.
I love
Also
that
love
dynamic.
I need
Love
to
it.
point out how in the show it's not clearly mentioned or like it's mentioned here and there, but Claire basically got knocked up by
Yes.
Phil and
Yes.
they got married because of that.
Yes.
Yeah.
Correct.
Phil is not. It's alluded throughout the show that Phil
Is
is
not
not
a
into
fo-
is not into girls that are not black. Oh yes.
Oh yeah.
Or even though his wife is like, white as can get. He's still like so content with that and the family
I
that he
know.
has.
Such a beautiful family. And
Also-
the way he's raised all 3 of his kids,
Yeah.
beautiful.
You guys remember that philosophy thing and the lame jokes?
Bro, I cried at that scene.
It was the cutest.
I know.
It was
I
the
love
cutest.
how he's had different dynamics with each of his kids, and
Yeah.
he's never pressurized any of them to be a certain way. He's
Right.
accepted each of them for how they
As
are,
is, right.
and that's such
That's
a
so
nice
cute.
thing
I
to do
know.
as a father.
Also-
Huge green flag.
also-
Huge green flag as a dad and in a relationship.
Also, how he never kept trying to impress Jay.
Ah.
After a certain point, Jay was completely
Yeah.
content with who his daughter has married, but like he still never gave up. And I'm like, I'm gonna try and impress you,
Yeah.
Yeah,
no matter how long that takes. And that
Yeah.
was so sweet of him.
true.
Can we talk about Bittu Sharma, please?
Yes.
Because he is my literal spirit animal. I love Bittu Sharma. Bittu Sharma helped Shruti to get her dream job, and then left with her, even though he liked whoever the other chick was, right? Like the other chick who was cheating people.
Yeah.
The big wedding
The big
planner.
wedding, yeah.
He was okay with her practices, but he still left with Shruti because he was like, no, she's
believed in her.
He believed in her.
Yeah.
Even when she didn't have anything, even when she only had a plan and nothing else, he left with her. He worked on himself constantly. Yes, there was a point where he tried to ghost her or whatever, but after that he came around.
Right.
And I love the fact that even when Shruti had made certain things very clear about how she didn't want to cheat, he
Yeah.
didn't budge on anything. He was like, okay, fine, this is what she wants. I'm going to follow this. I'm not going to say anything because this is what's right. This is what she thinks is right. This is going to be it.
Let's do it.
Again, he
Let's do
was
it.
not, having a problem with her being the alpha.
Her
Exactly.
thing being authoritative,
Yeah,
basically.
her taking control.
Yeah.
That's a very big green flag in men who have no problem when the other partner's taking the
lead.
lead in the relationship.
Yeah.
That's very hot.
When
again.
she said जिसके साथ व्यापार करो उससे कभी ना प्यार करो, and Bittu was like, okay, cool, but then she initiated
Yeah.
the pyar.
yeah.
And he was like, okay, I've been feeling these things since a long time, so I'm just gonna roll with it.
Yeah.
I know he got a little
Yeah.
after the fact. He was like, oh, I thought this was casual, but still he came around, and even in the last wedding, the big wedding that they did, he was with her.
He was
Yeah.
with her throughout, right?
Yeah, and even when she was engaged to some guy that was like trying to control her in the end, and he stood with her through that also. Is the least you can ask for, but it's
Right.
so cute and so hot.
Yeah. Okay.
Bread pakode ki kasam.
None of you have watched This Is Us, but like that has been one of my favorite shows. And I've been watching that. I remember starting watching that show like 10
school.
days before our 10th boards.
I remember.
I was hooked onto that show because of how it was such a mundane show, but it's just portrayed what a healthy family, what a healthy relationship, what being a healthy dad looks like, and that's just that's what I got drawn to about the show. So, a little backstory about Jack Pearson. He had an abusive dad. Okay, and he did not like his dad because his dad was like, he used to do whatever he did to him and his mother. And he never liked that, of course. And he made it a point that when he gets into a relationship and when he has kids, he will not pass that on to his kids. He'll make sure that he becomes the best dad that a kid can have. And that is seen throughout the entire show, even though he dies, spoiler alert, he dies within like, I think the 3rd season or whatever. But the 3 seasons, this man has delivered to be a perfect husband and a perfect dad. And I just look up to that. And he's hot on top of that. So I'm like,
Valid.
oh, we're done?
Oh, we are done
it.
with the
Oh,
characters.
that's nice.
That was sad. I want another game.
Yeah. Do we have another game? I think
Yeah,
I think
we have another game.
we have another game.
So now we're going to play another game, and we've been given very cute flags. So like our producers are going to read out some fun situations for us, and we are going to decide whether it's a red flag or a green flag.
Okay. First situation. it's a beige flag for me.
It's a red flag for me. I will give the reason why.
Okay.
So, if it's a red flag for me, because if he's wanting me to share my password, then it's not okay.
He's not secure in the relationship.
Yeah.
He doesn't trust you.
If I give it to him samne se, then it's fine. If it's for accessibility reasons or something like that, then it's fine. If him wanting for like a purpose, not okay.
See,
No.
I
Be it
said
any purpose again.
Yeah.
Be it any purpose then.
No, so
Intentions
I-
are everything.
See, I said beige flag because in case of an emergency,
That's what I said.
yeah, for accessibility.
Reason only.
But for, of course, for any other reason, it's of course going to be a
Red
red
flag.
flag. So
Massive red flag.
Bro, what the hell? What?
flag.
It's a red flag,
It's
and
a red flag for me as well.
If
Yeah, it's a green flag for me.
same. It's just I find it really okay. I find it a major green flag when guys don't care about how they look. I find shabby guys attractive. I find guys who are a little laid back attractive. Now, I don't mean you dress up for a wedding in like chaddi banyan. Of course not. I expect you to dress up a little well then, but I just like when guys don't care much about, because I want to be the one standing out and I want to be the
No,
dressy
Yeah, that's not
girlfriend.
the same reason why I've raised this green flag. For me, it's like the person feels comfortable with me. Now the person, doesn't have to put in that effort to impress me, because like the person has me and it's fine. I mean, it's great for me that you feel comfortable. You feel like you're chill. You don't need to impress me with, wearing new outfits every day. So I'm very happy.
From
like
that
she's a-
aspect, I find that a red flag because you shouldn't stop putting in an effort because
Exactly.
they've
No,
gotten you.
I'm talking about wearing clothes. Yeah, see, honestly, now even if I have a partner, and we are going out, like obviously if I have a partner, we'll be going out often. So I wouldn't want every time to, even though I make efforts in my outfits all the time, but like sometimes I just want to keep it casual. Yeah, and just joggers, crop top.
Huh.
Yeah, so like
Fair.
exactly.
for me, major red flag, and I'll tell you why. I like my fair share of shabby men. You guys know that.
Yes.
You guys know I like shabby men. But if you have to worry about what he's going to wear to the event, where do you stand in this, like, because of course you have to look presentable. I don't care if you're walking with me and I know I don't always look presentable and look, nobody is perfect and everything. You're going out, you're going to a nice restaurant. What, he'll come in chaddi banyan?
Exactly.
No, that's what I'm
that's what
saying.
she said.
That's, you're looking at it from a different perspective.
Yeah.
What I am saying is different. But I think we all land on the same page when
Yeah.
we say,
So with
For
me
me,
also,
looking,
like
go on.
for me, look, the guy, maybe it's not because like I shouldn't feel like, him wearing anything is going to embarrass me and like not make me look good. Like, ये कैसे boyfriend के साथ है, इसको तो
of course.
कपड़े भी नहीं चलेगा. उसकी जो choice है, उसकी मर्जी. If he wants to wear a t-shirt and track pants and come to a date, I am damn okay with
see,
it.
the first date is a little.
First date,
Yeah.
no. First date, no.
उसके बाद चलेगा.
हाँ,
For me,
उसके बाद चलेगा. कहीं भी.
There's a thin line between dressing appropriately and dressing for the event.
Okay.
Men who know how to dress for the event,
Yes, of course.
men who know how to dress appropriately. So I
Green,
don't
green.
flag, yeah. So like green flag, obviously green flag. It's a big matter of concern for me when they don't dress up and look presentable, because I
Yeah.
like men who look presentable. Be it for the occasion, be it casual, just look presentable. That's how I like it. So
Fair.
I guess.
yeah.
It's a major red flag for me. Now I'll tell you why. A lot of guys, in my opinion, use dark humor as a free pass to be offensive. And
Yeah.
I do not like that. There's a very thin line. And I've seen so many guys be like, oh, bro, take a joke. Yeah, I'm taking a joke and that is not one.
Yeah. Same for me.
So, yeah, go
It's
on.
a red flag only because I've seen so many men or boys, should I call them, being like,
Offensive.
नहीं ये तू लड़की है, तू डिशवॉशर है. ये डार्क ह्यूमर नहीं होता है, इसको मिसोजिनी
ये
बोलता है.
ऑफेंसिव है.
एंड यू आर हाइडिंग योर मिसोजिनी इन द गाइज ऑफ नहीं मैं तो डार्क ह्यूमर कर रहा हूँ, टेक अ जोक.
Exactly.
You don't have a past to be racist. You don't have a past to be. You just be a decent human being. That's all.
So I don't know which men you're meeting, and they are, you know,
Boys.
saying boys you're meeting, and they are considering dishwasher bulana ladkiyon ko is dark humor. That is definitely misogyny. For me, dark humor is like dead jokes and stuff, and I find it quite funny. I enjoy it, so it's a green flag for me.
Okay.
It's I'm gonna change my answer to red flag because, like they said, you don't get a pass to make such comments, be it in disguise as a joke. You don't get a pass.
I just want
to do that.
I want everybody to know we are not like uptight people that don't
Yeah.
understand
Yeah,
humor.
exactly.
There is a fine line between a joke is supposed to be funny.
Yeah,
If you're racist, I'm not laughing.
it's not
You know
funny.
what?
Exactly. If you're the only one laughing,
Yeah.
it's like, bro, come on.
Yeah.
I know.
Like, you're stupid if you think that's dark humor. Shut up.
Wait, partner? Can I get that again?
A partner who spilled details about your relationship with their friends.
Red. Honestly, both.
Yeah,
Actually, you know what?
both.
Both. Because I will also do that. Because these three know everything that goes on in my life at all times. In gross detail, more detail than they even want to know it. And see, when guys do it, from what I know, stereotypically they're always very offensive about it. They're very objectifying about women. From what I have stereotypically heard, yes, of course, exceptions are always there, and not every person is the same, but generally, I wouldn't want my partner to go out and tell his friends ke ye hua, वगैरह वगैरह.
I think it's a beige flag for me because, of course, I'm going to tell certain things to my friends about my relationship because, like, come on, they're my girl best friends. And if it's a girl best friend, so of course they have to know. But there are certain things which I do agree that shouldn't go out, man.
Right.
Like, see, because then you're disrespecting your partner by saying certain things that they don't want
Certain
someone
things
else to be
should
know.
stay in the relationship.
Yeah.
It's meant for just the two of them. and
Exactly.
That's why it's a beige flag for me as well.
Exactly.
It's a huge red flag for me because I am a huge believer. Now you guys also know there are so many things that happen in my private life. I do not, give you guys an insight about it. I like to keep some stuff private and I like it like that. So if I am doing that, my partner should also respect that and just not like some private things are supposed to be private. If things worsen, it is my choice because I have not told my friends and it has happened and stuff. But I choose to keep the private stuff private. So I would want my partner to also have the same ideology. So it's a red flag for me.
Okay. Can we get another situation?
Red flag, a major red flag. We've discussed this in the red flags episode where we say
This Srishti pulled up the green by mistake. I was like, what?
we've discussed this, guys. Guys who make gym the entire personality are in themselves a major red flag. Big no. Big fat no.
Basically revolved around gym.
Exactly.
It's like the house is their gym.
I know.
Literally.
Protein shake ye, protein shake wo.
I don't even feel like
I am also a gym person. I go to gym like frequently, very frequently. But I would not like a guy who's like spending 5 hours or 6 hours in a day in gym. No. Sorry, no.
y'all literally covered my point. I don't even feel like explaining why this is a red flag. It just is.
I have something to say. First of all, red flag for me. I think it was a red flag throughout the
Throughout
panel.
the
Yes.
panel,
Yes.
yeah.
It
Everyone
was
raised a red flag.
Red flag pehle to I don't know how these guys have this notion that girls are into muscles and body.
I am. No. There are
see,
few.
there are
some.
few. Most girls don't care. They like dad bods. They like skinny people. They like girls don't go for bodies.
Yeah.
I don't know where this notion has come from, whether you have to have like a six pack and like you have to have this dole shole.
Right.
Most men do it for their friends.
See,
I'll tell you one thing.
Peer pressure.
Huh.
Sorry.
Go.
I think gym bros attract gym bros.
And then they're like, no homo.
From the perspective of like dating a gym bro,
Yeah,
No.
like I ask you what
Absolutely
you're
not.
doing, where you are at the gym. If I get it like 3 times, like if I'm
Get
asking,
a life.
get
Get
a
a
life.
Next question.
Green flag.
Green flag.
Green
Obviously.
across the panel.
I was about to put up my red flag when I heard the first part of the
Yeah.
sentence, but I'm like, no.
Green flag.
Green flag. He's surprising you, yaar. It's so cute.
It's cute.
can I say something?
No.
Go on.
Bol yaar, bol.
I have this very bad habit of like wanting to know if someone is surprising me.
Oh, same.
So I'm like, क्या चल रहा है आज ऐसा कभी मैं बोलूंगी नहीं कि मतलब फोन दिखा वगैरह बट बिकॉज आई नो द पर्सन इज गोना सरप्राइज मी फोन दिखाना क्या है
As pathetic as it sounds, I've never been surprised. So
I
I'd
was
be like,
about to say that.
Yeah, I'd be like, नहीं छुपा कर ही रख.
छुपा कर ही
छुपा
रख.
कर ही
बता ही
रख.
मत.
And जब बताना होगा ना तभी मत बता.
It's so cute. They surprise you.
Yeah,
It's very
yeah,
cute.
it's a very big green flag.
Green flag. Green flag.
Next, please.
How is that even a red flag?
How
Man,
is that
of
a
course is a
question?
green
I
flag.
know. Even when they're
Green.
ordering in you, food for you when you're not together, and just because like they want to comfort you or you can't do it, and they order in food.
They're
for you,
sending it to
Yeah,
your
yeah,
house
yeah,
if you've
yeah.
had a bad day or if you
Right.
just
So-
because they thought of something and they thought of you and you're like, oh, I just ordered a cupcake.
Yeah, that's
so
so
for the
sweet.
audio listeners it's a green flag across the panel.
Yes.
Yes.
And so even if the person is ordering whatever they want to eat and they're like it's fine whatever you order till I come.
It's
Kuch
the
bhi
thought that
chalega.
Even if I don't like it, but you ordered it, it's the thought that counts.
Yeah, exactly.
Let's go.
Next situation.
Red
Flag.
Red flag, bro. Please.
I'm gonna start by saying, initially I was a meetha pani puri eater,
We are aware.
right?
We are aware.
Then I changed to medium pani puri, and I realized meetha pani puri is actually bad.
Yeah.
We made you better.
Yeah, thank you.
And I know I've never tried those puchkas or golgappas, but pani puri is where it's at. And
Yes.
mixed pani puri with tikha zyada
Best.
is the best that you can get.
Yes.
It is a huge red flag if you cannot.
Eat me.
Honestly, you know what? I want to change my answer a little bit because like, what if they don't? What if they can't handle spice?
That's not my problem. Find a way to do that.
Yeah.
Listen, be little empathetic now. You
No.
are acting like a red flag now.
I am a red flag.
Okay, fine. Whatever.
I have one thing to say.
Yes.
If you do not have the spice tolerance of having medium pani puri, you cannot eat pani puri with me. Sorry, it's not allowed. It's you have to get to that level and then come eat pani puri with me.
Wow.
Damn.
Fix yourself first.
And you're calling me a red flag.
I'm not. I knew she was one.
I am a huge red flag.
Anyway,
Valid.
next situation.
Green
flag.
Green flag across
the panel.
But there is limitations to this. Sorry.
Okay, go on.
Limitations to this. Why? Because some guys are weird and creepy and they want to get into your friend's plans.
Yes.
And that's not cool. But if he does not even make an effort to talk to your best friends, make a good enough relation, even an acquaintance with your friends, then he's just like hiding something. Because girls, especially girl best friends, they catch a vibe like that. Happened to all of us.
Literally.
Yeah.
If it's not me who's seen it, like the other three have always seen it.
Yeah.
And yeah.
I'm not even going to speak about this.
They know. They know.
No, but yeah, major green flag.
Major green flag.
Red flag for me.
It's a beige flag for me.
I think because I'm talking so much and I don't, it's like, react to my stories and everything. But then at some point, if it's like a long-term relationship, now it'll be like, सिर्फ मैं ही बात करती हूँ यार, मतलब, are you even interested in me? And at some point, you have to match your partner's energy.
Vibe, right.
That's why it's a red flag for me.
Red flag for me as
For
well.
me,
I've already established healthy communication is very important.
Okay.
Talk how you feel.
I have a different take on that. I say beige flag because everyone is not. I know how that may sound. Everyone's not a talkative person, and I like my men to be a little introverted. So I don't mind being the one who is very talkative. And I'm not saying that they won't respond to me at all, they won't talk at all. But if I don't mind if I'm the one who talks more in the relationship, and if they're more of a listener, and
The question,
they communicate in a different way.
the question
is what I'm
was
saying.
that they don't talk at all
About themselves at
about
all.
themselves
About
at all.
was that the question?
Yeah, they don't. Doesn't really talk about themselves. So, like, what are you hiding? First of all,
Yeah.
Okay, I mean, it's not necessary that they're hiding something only. You can also know everything about the person, but then they're
Yeah, and
also a reserved person, which is fine. Like, theek hai.
Reserved person in a relationship for what? That's not a major green flag.
I mean,
debatable.
yeah.
Debatable. For me, it's a beige flag because, like,
Yeah.
even though, like, you know, I like when, you know, guys don't speak much because it's fine only. I like them when they listen to me because I genuinely talk a lot. You guys
Yeah.
have seen it. I cut them off also. I talk a lot. And I think that could be one of the reasons that that guy won't speak to me because I cut him whenever he's trying to speaking to me. Poor guy.
Poor
So
guy.
yeah, it's a beige flag for me. Works for
Yeah.
me.
Yeah.
Okay. Next situation is the situation where we say bye to you guys.
Oh.
Oh my
Because
god.
we're done.
That's a beige flag because bye for now, but tune in for the next episode.
I think it's a red flag for me because I did not want this to end.
I think it is a beige flag for me because I need to get home.
I think it's a green flag for me because I'm tired now. My legs are paining.
Both हो गया.
But yeah, it's always a green flag to be on camera
Yeah.
and talk.
Right.
And we have so much fun filming, and we hope that you guys had fun watching this
Watching.
And
episode.
listening.
Yeah.
It's a red flag. For me, if it's a red flag if they're on YouTube and they've already
yeah.
subscribed and pressed the red button.
And it's a green flag if you're watching it on, if you're listening to it on Spotify on your drive back
You're
home.
dressed like Spotify.
Yeah.
Even a red flag if you're listening on Apple Podcasts.
Right.
That's purple though.
That's pink.
It's purple.
It's pink.
Okay, whatever.
What's the combination of
Oh
these
yeah,
two?
podcast is purple. Music is pink.
It's red, but okay.
Irrespective.
समझा हम लोग को.
Yeah, they
Irrespective.
understood. But yeah, I think with that we can conclude today's episode. And
Yeah.
we hope to see you guys again when we post our next episode. Until then, miss us, of course.
Yeah.
And while you're at it, you can hit the subscribe button and comment your green flags down below. We would love to read them. But for now,
Yeah.
we're going to take your leave.
Bye.
Bye.